Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for diabetes that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Victor Super Premium Dog Food. Victor Super Premium Dog Food, specifically the Purpose NUTRO Pro variety, stands out for active dogs and those with high nutritional needs, like pregnant or nursing dogs, as well as puppies. This gluten-free, high-protein, low-carb dry dog food caters to all ages, making it versatile for any dog owner. Made in the USA with a keen eye on quality, its formula is rich in nutrients from chicken, fish, and beef meals, offering 38% protein content. The proprietary VPRO blend enhances your dog's immune system function and supports healthy skin and coat. Owners will appreciate that Victor Super Premium Dog Food takes into account not just the dietary requirements of sporting breeds, but also those needing sustained energy levels throughout the day. Its design aids in digestion while minimizing carb intake, which can be crucial for managing weight and is quite beneficial for dogs at risk of diabetes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Superfood Complete Dog Food. Superfood Complete Dog Food stands out as a top choice for pet owners, especially those with dogs facing diabetes. Made by Katherine Heigl, this air-dried adult dog food offers high protein from premium lamb and venison, which is essential for managing blood sugar levels. The 87% meat content paired with 13% seeds, vegetables, fruits, minerals, and vitamins means it's packed full of nutrients without any fillers like corn or soy that could spike a diabetic dog's glucose. What sets Superfood Complete apart is its ease of preparation. There's no need for refrigeration, heat, or water, making feeding time straightforward and stress-free. For dogs that struggle with digestion issues common in diabetes cases, the blend includes gut-healthy veggies and superfoods to support smooth digestion and overall vitality. At number 3, we have the Nutrish Rachael Ray Weight Management Wet Dog Food. Rachael Ray Nutrish Weight Management with real turkey and pumpkin is a healthy choice for adult dogs needing to keep their weight in check. This premium paid wet dog food has no poultry byproducts, fillers, or artificial ingredients. It's crafted to support healthy weight management with 10% less fat than Rachael Ray Nutrish Real Chicken and Apple recipe. The blend includes real turkey, which provides high-quality protein, combined with pumpkin and brown rice for added fiber that helps dogs feel full longer. Owners looking for a nutritious option will appreciate the visible veggie pieces that ensure a balanced meal packed with vitamins and minerals. This product makes feeding your furry friend a diet that aids in controlling diabetes easier without compromising on taste or nutritional value. At number 2, we have the Open Farm RawMix Ancient Grains Prairie Recipe for Dogs. Open Farm RawMix Ancient Grains Prairie Recipe for Dogs is a top choice for owners looking to support their diabetic dog's health without sacrificing nutritional quality. This recipe blends high protein, humanely raised chicken and turkey with non-GMO fruits and veggies. The unique mix of kibble, bone broth, and freeze-dried raw materials delivers essential nutrients in a form that's easy to digest, which is vital for managing diabetes. The product champions sustainability and ethical sourcing, allowing pet owners to trace each ingredient back to its origin. This commitment not only ensures pets are eating well, but also supports humane farming practices. For dogs with diabetes, maintaining a stable blood sugar level is crucial. The ancient grains in this recipe provide a balanced energy source that helps in this regard. And finally, at number 1, we have the NUTRO Ultra Adult Weight Management Dog Food. NUTRO Ultra Adult Weight Management Dry Dog Food offers a high-protein, natural solution for small breeds looking to manage their weight. This food is crafted with a trio of proteins from chicken, lamb, and salmon. It's not just about losing weight, but providing your dog with the nutrients they need to thrive. The blend of 15 superfoods like coconut, chia, kale, and blueberries adds vital nutrients while avoiding chicken byproduct meal, corn, soy, or wheat, and artificial flavors or colors. This dog food hits the mark for dogs needing help maintaining a healthy weight without sacrificing flavor or nutrition quality, especially those prone to diabetes. Focusing on high-quality protein and fiber-rich superfoods supports slow energy release and keeps your dog feeling full longer. Owners will appreciate knowing they're feeding their pet something that tastes great and also promotes better health outcomes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.